My name's Robert Flowers and I teach in the Department of Chemistry. I've been here, this is my 12th year, and I teach organic chemistry predominantly. I teach chemistry and national issues, and I've taught lab courses, and I had some graduate courses in organic chemistry as well. I was a professor at Texas Tech University, and before that I was at the University of Toledo. So I've worked two other universities. I am very interested in developing new reagents in organic synthesis that carry out reactions through an electron transfer process. So I do use free radicals as intermediates in reactions to develop more efficient, environmentally friendly reactions. I have a lot of hobbies. I play guitar and banjo. I like to hike. I work out and run. Oh, I mean, I always liked chemistry, so I knew I wanted to be a chemist. But when I was in graduate school, I realized I wanted to be a professor at that point. I like the small size. I think that what's unique at Lehigh, and I don't think maybe students recognize this as much, is that this really is a world-class research university, but it's relatively small, so it's not like a big state school. So, like, the experience my students get here, both as undergraduates and graduate students, is you work in teams. There's a lot of mentoring and a lot of interaction with faculty that you don't necessarily have at a larger school.
So he's been my advisor for the last about 4.5 years now. I should be finishing up pretty soon. I defend my dissertation next month.
2 hours is the primary, so I'm going to rebook for like a few more hours, maybe like 5 or 6 hours.
But in chemistry, you work on like 3 or 4 projects. Yeah, so once each of them is done, you write about it in your dissertation. And so on each of the projects individually, he helps out immensely. And then like you have to write up the dissertation, and even in that process, he helps out a lot.
So when I was at Texas Tech, I mean, I think at one point I had a group of 16 graduate students. I think being at a school like Lehigh has made me a better scholar. I'm a much better mentor to my students, I think, than I was there.
He is a great advisor. From the moment I joined the group, he has provided so much support for us and guidance. And a lot of the work we have to do, we have to work. We had to work individually on a project, but I never felt that I was like alone in it. He provided like so much help and support like throughout all the years.
I love when the light bulb goes off when I'm discussing a very difficult topic and I see the students, or at least one student will get it. You can kind of tell that by that look in their eye, and so that's I always enjoy that.